Think about the last time you snapped a photo with your phone. Did it recognize your friends' faces? That's AI in action, powered by neural networks. Or perhaps you asked your smart speaker for today's weather. Boom! Neural networks again. These aren't just futuristic fantasies, they're already woven into the fabric of our lives. From filtering spam in your inbox to suggesting your next favorite song, neural networks are silently shaping your digital world. But what exactly are these mysterious entities with such a fancy name? Imagine a bustling city, a network of interconnected streets buzzing with activity. That's a neural network, but instead of cars, we have information flowing through. This information travels through layers of interconnected nodes, much like the neurons in your brain. Each node processes information and passes it on, creating a complex web of calculations. Intrigued? You should be. Understanding neural networks is like unlocking a secret code to the future. So buckle up as we journey into the heart of artificial intelligence, exploring the wonders of neural networks and their impact on our world. Now let's peek under the hood and demystify these neural networks. Picture them as your brain's long-lost cousin, not identical twins. Both are masters of learning and problem-solving, but they go about it in slightly different ways. Your brain, a biological marvel, thrives on experience. See a cute kitten? Your brain learns kitten. Touch a hot stove? Your brain learns ouch. Neural networks learn similarly, but instead of kittens and stoves, they feast on data. Feed a neural network thousands of cat pictures, and it learns to recognize a cat, even a fluffy one hiding behind a curtain. How? By adjusting the connections between its nodes, fine-tuning its responses until it becomes a cat-identifying pro. This learning process, called training, is key. Just like a student studying for an exam, a neural network needs to be trained on vast amounts of data to become proficient. The more data it devours, the smarter and more accurate it becomes. Let's break down this training process with a playful example. Imagine teaching a neural network to distinguish between apples and oranges. First, we feed it a massive buffet of apple and orange images, each labeled correctly. The network starts by making random guesses. Apple, it asks, pointing to an orange. Nope, try again, we say, adjusting its internal knobs and dials. With each correct guess, it gains confidence. With each mistake, it learns and refines its understanding. Gradually, the neural network starts recognizing patterns. The round shape, the smooth texture, that must be an apple. The bright orange color, the dimpled skin, bingo, an orange. This iterative process of trial and error, feedback and adjustment is the heart of neural network training. It's like a dance between data and algorithm, a beautiful symphony of learning and adaptation. Neural networks are the driving force behind the AI revolution we're witnessing today. They're the invisible hands translating languages, diagnosing diseases, and even composing music. Remember that friend who speaks 5 languages fluently? Neural networks power the translation apps that make it possible. But their impact extends far beyond our smartphones. In healthcare, neural networks are assisting doctors in detecting cancerous tumors earlier and more accurately. They're helping researchers develop new drugs and personalized treatments based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. In the realm of self-driving cars, neural networks are the brains behind the operation, processing sensor data to navigate complex environments and make split-second decisions. They're learning to recognize pedestrians, interpret traffic signals, and avoid obstacles, paving the way for a future of safer and more efficient transportation. From entertainment to education, finance to manufacturing, neural networks are transforming industries and reshaping our world at an unprecedented pace. Let's zoom in on some real-world examples where neural networks are making a tangible difference. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, freeing us from the daily commute and reducing accidents caused by human error. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles, and neural networks are at the forefront of this revolution. These AI powerhouses are trained on massive datasets of driving scenarios, learning to perceive their surroundings, predict the behavior of other vehicles, and make safe driving decisions. They can even recognize and respond to traffic signals, pedestrians, and unexpected obstacles, making our roads safer for everyone. In healthcare, neural networks are aiding doctors in diagnosing diseases like cancer earlier and more accurately. By analyzing medical images such as X-rays and MRIs, these AI assistants can detect subtle patterns that might escape even the most experienced human eye. This early detection can be life-saving, allowing for timely intervention and improving patient outcomes. Neural networks are also playing a crucial role in drug discovery, a process that's traditionally time-consuming and expensive. By analyzing vast databases of molecular structures and biological data, These AI-powered systems can identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness, accelerating the development of new treatments for various diseases. With great power comes great responsibility, and the rise of AI is no exception. As neural networks become more sophisticated, it's crucial to address the ethical implications and potential risks associated with their widespread adoption. One concern is the potential for bias. Just like humans, neural networks can inherit biases from the data they are trained on. If the training data reflects existing societal biases, the AI system might perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Another concern is the impact on jobs. As AI systems become increasingly capable of performing tasks previously done by humans, there's a risk of job displacement in certain sectors. It's crucial to anticipate these changes and equip workers with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-powered economy. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI are immense. From tackling climate change to curing diseases, AI has the power to address some of humanity's most pressing problems. The key lies in harnessing this power responsibly, ensuring that AI is developed and deployed ethically, transparently, and for the benefit of all. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and the future holds exciting possibilities. As neural networks continue to learn and adapt, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge, transforming industries and redefining the boundaries of what's possible. Imagine a world where AI-powered personal assistants anticipate our needs, seamlessly managing our schedules, recommending personalized experiences, and even helping us achieve our goals. Picture classrooms of the future, where AI tutors provide personalized instruction, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. In healthcare, AI has the potential to revolutionize disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. Imagine a future where wearable sensors continuously monitor our health, alerting us to potential problems before they even arise. AI-powered robotic surgeons could perform complex procedures with superhuman precision, minimizing risks and improving patient outcomes. The possibilities are truly limitless. As we continue to explore the vast potential of neural networks, we're embarking on a journey of discovery and innovation, a journey that promises to reshape our world in profound and unimaginable ways. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the fascinating world of neural networks, the engines driving the AI revolution. We've explored their inner workings, their uncanny ability to learn, and their transformative impact on various aspects of our lives. But this is just the beginning. The field of AI is constantly evolving, with new discoveries and breakthroughs emerging at a rapid pace. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is certain: the future of AI is bright, filled with endless possibilities. So, embrace your curiosity, delve deeper into the world of artificial intelligence, and who knows, you might just be the one to unlock the next big breakthrough in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. The adventure continues.